हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट ए पॉइंट टू ए पॉइंट चार्ज एंड द पॉइंट चार्ज इज सिचुएटेड एट द ओरिजिन। तो आज देखिए सेकंड केस, इफ द पॉइंट चार्ज इज नॉट एट ओरिजिन, है ना, द पॉइंट चार्ज इज not at origin. Hello? That means the point charge is placed at anywhere. Suppose this is a coordinate system and this is a point charge. Hello? It is a charge Q is placed at point S. Clear? Next. And P, if there is a charge, we know if there is a charge there is an electric field around it. जदि गोटे चार्ज अच्छी माने ता चारिपटे गोटे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अच्छी है। एंड P, सपोज वी कंसीडर दिस इज ए पॉइंट ऑफ P ऑब्जर्वेशन. P is the point of observation. है। S is the point of source where the source charge Q is located and P is the point of observation where we are interested to find the electric field intensity. Now suppose this point, this is your position vector, let it be r dash vector, and this is the position vector, let it be r vector. Clear? Then the vector from S to P, अर्थात the position vector of the point P with respect to the source S, এটা কেতে যাব, that is equal to r vector minus of r dash vector. Clear? पहले suppose a charge, suppose a point charge plus Q is at S and P be the point of observation and P be the point of observation. P be the point of observation. Clear? P be the point of observation. है ताले S and P यदि कौन रे S है that is the position of the source charge, P है that is the position of the point of observation. तो let r vector and এটা কি r dash vector and r vector है be the position vector, with the position vector of points S and P respectively, of points S and P respectively. Clear? Then tabane ka, so this is the origin, so that implies, but that is OS vector is equal to r dash vector. How do you like it? OP vector is equal to r vector. So from the triangle OPS, so we get from the triangle OPS, what we get using the triangle's law. Clear? R vector is equal to केते गेला this plus this, तो एटा केते गेला, from the triangle OPS we get हैला, तले केते गेला, तले SP vector is equal to केते जो OP vector minus OS vector, that is equal to r vector minus of r dash vector. Clear? है তাহলে আমি ডিস্টেন্সটা পাই গেলে দ্যাট ইজ দ্য পজিশন অফ দ্য পয়েন্ট P with respect to the charge Q, that is equal to SP vector. So now find the potential electric field intensity at point P due to this charge. তাহলে কোন হবে? তাহলে electric field intensity at point P, তাহলে electric field intensity, the electric field intensity at P is given by তাহলে কোন হবে দেখো, তাহলে we know that the electric field intensity at point P पूर्व কোন হয়েছিল, তাহলে E vector is equal to কত হয়ে গেল 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by কত r square 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q, or you can write k যা লিখবে না, তাহলে k लिखो 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 साइड की है ना q by r square, r के रे ap square into ap रो कैप लिख परिबा, but this can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by sp रो q into sp vector है ना, so that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by sp के दिला r vector minus r dash vector रो mod रो q into এটা কেতে গেল r vector minus r dash vector, clear? So this is the E vector है ना, so if the charge is not is at origin, अर्थात if the charge is located at any point, then we can find out the electric field in this way, clear? So next time देखिए the electric field intensity at a point in terms of the rectangular components, electric field intensity at a point in terms of rectangular components. जेहेतु electric field is a vector quantity, it can be expressed in rectangular components. Electric field intensity at a point, electric field intensity at a point in terms of rectangular component, in terms of rectangular components, clear? The electric field intensity at a point in terms of rectangular components. So how can you find out? In terms of that electric field is a vector quantity, so we can write the electric field in terms of rectangular components. Suppose A गोटे vector, यदि A आमर गोटे vector हुए, तो how can I express it in terms of rectangular component? So we can write like axi cap plus ayj cap plus az k cap, clear? This is the vector in terms of rectangular component. This is known as the x component, this is known as the y component, this is known as z component, clear? तो आठी हमें से बड़े how can I write? हमें केमती लिखिबा थी electric field in terms of rectangular components, जब electric field is a vector quantity, हल केमती लिखिबा? Suppose the charge is at origin, हैला? तो मने करो this is the position, हैला? So this is the position, it is like a p vector, and this is the position of the point P, coordinates of the point P x, y, z. Then what is this? This is your position vector, and this is the point charge. Clear? So this is the position vector. Position. Let P x, y, z be the coordinate of the point P. Let P x, y, z be the coordinate of the point P, the coordinate of point P. Then what is its position vector? Then the position vector ki OP vector is equal to R vector. We can write in xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. As the point P hela xyz, then its position vector kete hegala xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then what is its magnitude? Then R magnitude kete hegala? Then that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square root over x component square by y component square plus z component square. This can be written as the x square plus y square plus z square 1/2 ହେଲା। तो तबे व्हाट इज आर क्यू कारण हमर दरकार एक्सप्रेशन ले आर क्यू केते तल दैट इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस z स्क्वायर रो ने केते गेला q वाला is 1/2 तल दैट इज इक्वल टू q/3 क्लियर। नाउ फाइंड द फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट पॉइंट P। तले P रे फील्ड इंटेंसिटी केता हो देखो तले फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट पॉइंट P तले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट P तले में कौन पाइबा E वेक्टर is equal to that is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 q by r cube into r vector. Clear? Now put the values, all the values here. So this is equal to kete gala 1/4 pi epsilon 0 q by r cube हमें बाहर कर ले x square plus y square plus z square रो 3/2 clear into r cap r cap we can write r cap xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap clear। So this is your E vector है। अब E वेक्टर पहले 1/4 pi epsilon 0 q y x square plus y square plus z square 3/2 into xi क्या plus yj क्या plus zk क्या। If we expand it, जब हमें expand कर दो तल कौन पाएगा? That is equal to एटा रहेला 1/4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by x square plus y square plus z square है ना plus z square 3/2 into x I cap, this is x and this is your I cap, plus similarly we get 1/4 pi epsilon 0 yes q by r square x square plus y square plus z square 3/2 एटा गला y into z cap। Then last term is केते गला 1/4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by x square plus y square plus z square 3/2 into k cap clear है। So this is nothing but हमें कौन जान से E vector is a vector quantity, it has x component, y component and z component। तो x component, this is your x component I cap, this is your y component, this is your z component, this is your y component and this is your z component है। तो we can write The E vector is equal to, this is your Ex I cap S plus Ey J cap plus Ez K cap. Clear? Where this is your Ex I cap, Ex component, this is the Y component, and this is the Z component. Clear? So in this way we can express the electric field intensity at a point due to a point charge in terms of its rectangular components. Clear? तो एबे हमें देखिबा इलेक्ट्रिक आमे कोन बाहर कले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी at a point due to a point charge. एबे बाहर करिबा if there are a number of point of charges, how can you find out the electric field intensity? Next, the electric field intensity at a point due to a number of charges. है ना? देखिबा the electric field intensity at a point the electric field intensity at a point due to a number of charges, point charges, due to a number of point charges. Clear? Due to a number of point charges. Then how can you find out the electric field intensity due to a number of point charges? Yes, by using the principle of superposition. Hala? The electric field intensity at a point due to a number of point charges. It can be determined by using the principle of superposition. It can be determined by using the principle of superposition, by using the principle of superposition. Clear? By using the principle of superposition. It can be determined by using the principle of superposition. आमे कौन करि परिबा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन अनुसार बाहर करि परिबा हला तले प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन कौन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन हला so what is the principle of superposition? Yes, tell me. Principle of superposition. So if a number of point charges are there, then the net field intensity at a point due to the number of point charges is equal to the vector sum of the electric field intensity at that point due to each charge separately. Hala? So principle of superposition la kaun? The net electric field intensity, the net electric field intensity, the net electric field intensity at a point, the net electric field intensity at a point, the net electric field intensity at a point due to a number of point charges, due to a number of point charges, is equal to the vector sum is equal to the vector sum of the field intensity, vector sum of the electric field intensity vector sum of the electric field intensity. Electric field intensity at that point, at that point, due to each charge separately, due to each charge separately. Clear? So the net field intensity, yes, the net field intensity in a point, at a point, due to a number of point charges, yes, due to a number of point charges, is equal to vector sum of the electric field intensity at the point due to each charge separately. हम individually प्रत्येक charge रो बाहर करिबा field intensity at a indicated point, then we add them vectorically, which is the resultant by net field intensity. Clear? देखिबा ହେଲା. Suppose there are number of point charges, ହେଲା. Tell this is a point charge, let it be Q1, this is your Q2, this is the Q3, Q2 and Q3, this is Q4, like that, this is your Qn. Suppose this is your a point P, this is the point of observation P. Now we find the electric field intensity at point P due to the number of point charges here. Similarly, this is the number of point charges here. So how can you find out? Now find the field intensity at point P due to the individual charge separately and then add them vectorically. Clear? Suppose at this point the electric field intensity is equal to this. Let it be this is your E1 vector, and thus this is the electric field intensity at this point. Let it be E2 vector. Yes. Suppose this is an electric field at this point, that is equal to E3 vector. Yes. This is the electric field at this point, let it be E4 vector. Then, and this is the electric field at this point, let it be En vector. Like that. Similarly, so there are number of fields at point P. Suppose an n number of charges and number of charges. Suppose n number of charges, number of point charges, number of point, n number of point charges. Suppose n number of point charges, and P is the point of observation. Suppose there are n number of point charges and P is the point of observation, and P be the point of observation, point of observation. Clear? P is the point of observation. Then कौन आवाज़ दिखाओ? If P is the point of observation, then it कौन है दिखाओ? Then Q1, the P is lies in the field of Q1. Q2, the P is lies in the field of Q2. Q3, the P is also lies in the field of Q3. कारण हमें जाने से the charge अच्छी माने there is an electric field around it, and this electric field extends up to infinite because E is inversely proportional to 1 by R square. Clear? So जेहेतु P lies in the field of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, etc. So each charge exerts a force on this field, and there is a field intensity E1, E2, E3. If E1, E2, E3 dot that is equal to En, be the electric field intensity at point P, be the with the electric field intensity. With the electric field intensity OD at P due to the individual charges, due to the each charge, due to the each charge, due to the each charge, है ना, due to the each charge. तले using the principle of superposition, using the principle of superposition, using the principle of superposition, yes, the net electric field intensity at P, the net electric field intensity, the net electric field intensity could he at P is given by তাহলে কেতে হইব, yes tell me, তাহলে electric field intensity, total field intensity at point P is equal to কেতে হইগলা vector sum of the electric field at point P due to the each charge separately. So this is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus like that dot 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 you can write En vector. Clear? This is the principle of superposition, and by using this principle of superposition we can find out the number electric field intensity at a point due to a number of point charges. Clear? So then we find out the electric field intensity at a point P, but at a point P due to a continuous charge distribution. Clear? तो देखिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी, electric field intensity OD at a point due to a continuous charge distribution, due to a continuous charge distribution. Yes, if there is a continuous charge distribution, due to a continuous charge distribution, how can you find out the electric field intensity? The electric field intensity at a point due to a continuous charge distribution can back here. As far as the microscopic point of view, तो गोटे बॉडी रे कोन रहला, the charges are distributed on the surface of a body. देखो केमी थिला प्रथम कहथिली जेतले distribution of charge रे कहथिला there are three different of charges, or there are three distribution of charge. One is the linear charge distribution, another is the surface charge distribution, and another one is the volume charge distribution. हैला तो जेतला में फॉर ए कंटीन्यूअस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ले बाहर करिबा, केमती बाहर करिबा, सपोज दिस इज योर linear charge distribution and charges are distributed throughout this length, and this is the manekara surface thila, this is the charge which is distributed throughout this surface, and this is suppose this is a volume, and the charges are distributed in its volume, है either uniform हो कि non uniform हो. आपको कहा जा linear charge distribution, this is known as the surface charge distribution, this is known as the volume charge, this is the linear charge distribution, है. So how can you find out the electric field intensity at a point due to a linear charge distribution, due to a surface charge distribution, and due to a volume charge distribution? Now in this case For this situation, we consider an elementary element. We consider an element as having charge kate gala dq hala. In this case, we consider this element which has a charge kate dq, and in this case we also consider an element having charge kate dq, and in this case we also consider a volume having charge kate gala dq hala. Other charge kate gala dq. We consider an element. तो प्रत्येक जगह आम कौन करवा गोटे गोटे एलिमेंट कंसीडर करवा, एंड ड्यू टू दिस एलिमेंट व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट द इंडिकेटेड पॉइंट, एंड देन फाइंड आउट द टोटल पॉइंट बाय केंद करिया बाय इंटीग्रेशन. क्लियर हैला. तला आम प्रथम बाहर करवा फॉर लिनियर चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, फॉर वॉल्यूम चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, फॉर सॉरी एडाला सरफेस एडाला वॉल्यूम, एडाला लिनियर चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, लिनियर चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, एटा गला सरफेस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सरफेस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, एटा गला वॉल्यूम चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, वॉल्यूम चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. क्लियर. सरफेस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, अला लिनियर चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सरफेस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, वॉल्यूम चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट? So suppose this is the point P. Now you find out the potential, field intensity at this point. This is your position vector, let it be r vector. Suppose this is a point P for this case. So how can you find out? This is the point P. Now this is your r vector. See this is the point P. We can find out this r vector. Clear? So in each and every case, we consider an element whose charge is equal to dq. Hala. Tale if dq be the let dq be the charge of an element hala. Let dq be the charge of an element, and p be the point of observation, and p be the point of observation, clear, and p be the point of observation. Let dq be the charge of an element. This is the element, this is an element, this is an element. So r charge dq, r dq, r dq. Then if there is a charge, there is a field, and p is the point of observation. Now find out the electric field intensity at this point. So how can you find out electric field intensity at this point? So electric field intensity at point P, due to the small charge, there is a small electric field. So if dE be the electric field intensity, if dE be the electric field intensity put it at P. If D is the electric field intensity at point P due to the charge dq, but due to this element, due to the element, ताले कहता हो yes, due to the element. ताले में कौन लिखी बाटे? ताले due to the element कौन पाएगा? That is d vector. The charge is very small, the intensity also very small. ताले this is represented by d vector. ताले de vector. Yes. What is the d vector? That is equal to हमें दिल लिखिए फॉर्मूला k है ना q एटी के ना dq by rq into r vector. Clear? ताले d vector is equal to k dq by rq into r vector. Clear? This is the electric field intensity at point P due to this element. जेहेतु this surface but this body है ना are consists of a large number of elements, then हमें कौन बाहर करिबा? The total field intensity of this body How can you find out total field? It is the integration. Because there are a large number of such elements. This wire consists of a large number of such elements. This surface is consists of the large number of such elements. This volume is also consists of large number of such elements. तेणु आमे कौन करि परिबा टू फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट ए पॉइंट ड्यू टू द होल बॉडी, ड्यू टू द होल लेंथ, ड्यू टू द होल सरफेस, ड्यू टू द होल वॉल्यूम. कल दिस इज द इंटीग्रेशन हैला. then the electric field intensity, then the electric field intensity, field intensity. Then the electric field intensity at P is P due to the body, due to the whole body, due to the body is given by the integration of d vector, that is called E vector, is equal to integration of k dq by rq into r vector. Yeah. So this is the electric field intensity of a continuous charge distribution. Now what is the dq? dq kete? Just tell me what is dq. Hala? Tell here dq is equal to kete paribo? Tell if we consider linear charge distribution, what is dq? If we consider the surface charge distribution, what is dq? If we consider volume charge distribution, what is dq? Tell dq is equal to, for linear charge distribution we know lambda is equal to dq by dl. Tell dq is equal to lambda into dl. Hala? Tell that is for linear charge distribution. Linear charge distribution. Same way, if we consider surface charge distribution, that is equal to sigma into ds. Sigma into ds. Tell it surface charge distribution. In case of surface charge distribution, like that in case of volume charge distribution, rho into dv, and volume charge distribution. Then put the values and integrate to find the total field intensity at point P. Clear? So this is the different ways we can find out the electric field intensity at a point P. तो कोटी गोटे सिंगल पॉइंट चार्ज से बाहर करसे, कोटी नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट चार्जेस, कोटी देयर इज ए कंटीन्यूअस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. क्लियर? है ना? तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखिए द न्यूट्रल पॉइंट. व्हाट डू मीन बाय न्यूट्रल पॉइंट? नेक्स्ट क्लास न्यूट्रल पॉइंट. ये न्यूट्रल पॉइंट कहले हमें कौन बुझवा है? जमती मु कहती आगु दैट इज द चार्ज फोर्स पड़ेला बेले कौन कहला? इन बिटवीन द टू चार्जेस वी प्लेस ए थर्ड चार्ज वेयर द फोर्स ऑन द चार्ज इज जीरो. दैट इज ए न्यूट्रल पॉइंट. Similarly, आम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रे गोटे न्यूट्रल पॉइंट बाहर करिया जोटा कहला इक्विलिब्रियम पोर्शन ऑफ द चार्ज. द रिजल्टेंट फोर्स ऑन द चार्ज इज जीरो. It is a neutral point is nothing but if a charge is placed near a number of charges, the resultant field on the charge is zero. Then it is called a neutral point. The resultant field intensity on the charge is zero. If the resultant field intensity on the charge is zero, then the force, if we put a charge at that point, there is no force experienced on the charge because E is equal to F by Q by F is equal to Q into E. Hello? If the electric field intensity at that point is zero, then the force also zero if a charge is placed at that point. So that point is known as the neutral point. Neutral means no. Hello? Arthat the resultant field intensity is zero. Hello? So neutral point like it is a point where the field intensity due to the number of charges is zero. Clear? The next time class में discussion करिबा what is the neutral point and how can you find out the neutral point if the two charges are like and if the two charges are unlike. Clear? Thank you to all.